to sell upcycled fashion accessories on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can sell the other or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see here, we have a lot of products to buy from, and we have a lot of sellers making a lot of money selling these products. So for example, let's check the wall decal category. So just wait for it to load. So I'm doing this to show you what you're going to learn in this video. Just be patient for it to load, and I'm going to show you an example of the shop pages that I'm going to explain how to create in this video today. So for example, let's check this one, which costs $14. So as you can see here, this is a shop page, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create exactly a shop page like this one, how to set the price, the description, the size, options, and all of this. Also, I'm going to show you how to add the items details and how to set your shipping and return policies. So let's just go back to the first page and go to the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here we have 6 steps to go through in order to set our Etsy shop. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop. Then you will go through stock in your shop, choosing how you'll get paid, setting your payment processors or your billing. Then you'll end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the currency of the shop from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for your shop. So for me, I'm going to choose this name. Then I'm going to remove the spaces, and I'm going to shorten the name to be between 4 and 20 characters. So let's just try to shorten the accessories. So I think this is a great name. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. And in this third step, guys, you will need to add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before proceeding to adding the photos and details about the item, first click on save and continue to see all of the required details to fill in this field. So as you can see, the first one is photos. So here you have to at least upload one photo. Then we have the inventory, where you will need to at least set the price of the product. Then you have the listing details, where you will need to fill all of these red fields. Then comes shipping, where you will need again to fill all of these red fields. So let's just start from the first one, which is photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then comes the video. So here, bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record a high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they'll love it. So we start with the title. So please enter a title. Give your product a good title. Then you have to answer these 3 questions. Who made it? The product, of course. You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with a finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then we have the category. So here you choose the category of your product. So just type the name of your product and you have a lot of categories to choose from. So I'm just going to choose the first one, but it's in braces. So I need something about accessories. So let's just remove the upcycled fashion and let's leave accessories and see. So let's choose accessories. And here we have, you have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product, the secondary color. Then if you want to go with the accessory type, which is optional, if it's a bandana, hair accessory, hand fan, hat, keychain, lanyard, patch, pin, scarf, or whatever. Then you have the occasion, if it's for a wedding or a bachelorette party. If you want to choose a holiday or a wedding theme. Then we have the renewal options. If you want to choose an automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or if you want to choose the manual, which is free. Then you have the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then comes the description. So guys, if you want to give your product a good description, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count, and so on. Then we have the pricing, so make sure to give your product a good price. Then comes the shipping settings. So here, make sure to fill all of these red fields, which is related to the shipping, like the origin postal code, processing time, standard shipping, everywhere else. Then comes the return and exchanges. So here is the place where you choose the policy that you want, if you want to use the 30 days policy, or if you want to choose another policy by creating your own. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.